Hi, I'm Dave, the creator of Roads, and I'm going to show you how Roads can be used to have deeper conversations with your friends, even when you have a busy schedule. In this demo, I'm going to create a group to share travel stories with my friends. This is what the app is going to look like when you get logged in. So I'm going to start by creating a channel, and this channel I'll add a picture to, and we'll do this airplane picture because this will be kind of a travel themed channel. But a channel can be created for any topic you like, and I'll call this travel. And then you can change the color to anything you like and then create the channel. So now I have this travel channel, but I don't have any recordings in here. So I'll begin now by recording something. And this is just a 30-second recording. I'll just title this My Next Trip, and you can see it's already going to be added to this channel. And I'll go ahead and save this conversation. Typically, a recording might be a little bit longer, and you might go into a little bit more in-depth of a story. But now I have this channel with my first conversation, and I can invite some friends. So if I click this, since I am currently new to the app, I don't have any friends on here, but I can easily invite them with an invite link. And I can just go ahead and copy this and then go and text it to some of my other friends and get them joining the channel. Now I am logged in on a different device with a different user, and I'm going to show you how you can get joined into that channel. Once we open up that link, it's going to bring us to the app. So I'm going to click Join Channel. Now I have joined this channel, and I could see the recording from the other user here, which is that trip, My Next Trip, that we already recorded. So while you're listening to this conversation, if something is said and you want to interject, you can do that after the 5-second mark by adding a road. And if you add a road, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to record something. So it's very similar to how you would record an initial conversation. And I'll just leave this one really short, but you would record something and give it a short title and then save the road. And after doing that, the road is going to be timestamped where you left that comment. And then people who listen to this later will actually get the option to listen to that road as they pass it. And here's our original user. This is the home screen now. So you can see we have that one channel that we created. And then we have the road that was just created by the second user. So you can click right into this and start listening. If you scroll up, you'll always have the context of where this comment was left. So you can go back up into there and then see that the comment is there and keep listening to the main conversation. Join me on Roads today and rediscover the art of having deep conversations.